Yes.
Kalau let's say one semester student take 5 subjects.
Yes.
So from Monday to Friday, each day one subject. So Monday, computer science. Early in the morning, enter the class. Then in groups, they will go out and search for information and so on, the internet. In the afternoon, they come back to the group and they do discussions. And at the end of the day, maybe 3 or 4, 5 p.m., then they present and then we will discuss.
Okay, can we do problem-based learning only for certain topics, not for every topic? I think we select, don't do every week problem-based learning. Make it a variety. The other reason is because of the different learning style. Some students prefer to listen to something on their own, alone, not in a group. Some students need time to read, to reflect. So if you do problem-based learning all the time, it's always group, it's always research, it may not suit their style. So then they become stressed. So kalau nak buat, choose certain topics only which is good for problem-based learning, where they can easily find good materials, and you have to maybe give some leads. And then from there they just explore. From the leads that you give.
Be blended.
Blended, correct.
Yeah.
Blended media. Is it that we have problem-based learning here all the time?